How do you feel about hiking? Honestly, I've never been a fan, but last summer I had a wild experience that kind of changed things up for me a little bit. Let me tell you about it. What a beautiful morning. These mountains are gorgeous. It was really cool this morning. The cow and the calf moose were just walking around the campsite. Of course, by the time I got my camera out, the calf got shy and walked into the bush, but that's okay. I don't blame him for hiding against the paparazzi, but got some really cool shots of the cow just having her breakfast in the lake. Very nice. So just enjoying the last few moments of this lake, Jacques Lake.
You round the corner.
My friends know that I'm not a huge fan of hiking with a big, heavy backpack full of overnight gear. But they talked me into going on this 25-kilometer overnight hike.
You lay it down.
So we start on this hike, and I know nothing about it. I barely even knew what the hike was called.
And that horn is sounding through the night's tender still. And I've got to thinking.
And I know friends that watch this, they might laugh because this journey wasn't even that hard. A 25-kilometer hike with very little elevation gain is considered pretty easy for someone who loves hiking. But then there's that first epic view. I really didn't expect it. The pack came off, and I was just ready to set up camp right there. Now it all makes sense. This is why people do this. But we're on a mission, and we don't want to set up camp in the dark, so it's back to the grind. It's pretty common that on these trails there's going to be these long stretches of just evergreen forest. Not overly interesting, just trying to make the miles. But then I was surprised. We get to this one spot where we're just kind of walking through these really tall plants that I've never seen before. It was just so cool, unique, and totally unexpected. And this is what makes hiking really great. You never know what's coming around that next corner. But then the rain hit hard. That was a real mood changer. We had to quickly cover our backpacks with the waterproof covers. In the back of our minds, no one was saying it, but we were all thinking it. Is it going to be pouring rain when we have to set up camp? But we fluked out. The rain let up, and we had just an unbelievable, incredible evening. This jet boil was a new toy, so I was really actually having a lot of fun playing with it. Well, we arrived at Jacques Lake campground after a long, eventful hike. Mosquitoes everywhere. Being in this valley with this epic mountain range and this beautiful, gorgeous lake, green water, it's clear, you can see the bottom, you can see fish swimming around. Just unreal. Then as we're sitting there, some of the hikers who arrived just before us, they mentioned that there was this friendly moose with her newborn calf just
walking around freely in the camp. The second I heard that, I was up and I was out for a walk trying to find them. I could have watched them for hours, but I decided, you know what, I'll leave them alone for a little bit. The next morning was unreal.
Sometimes hiking, it takes a lot of effort, but it's so worth it just to come out here and experience nature and the peace of it. You hear all the different squirrels. This morning I heard some woodpeckers going off on the trees. You can hear in the background water flowing. Just so peaceful. There's no wind right now too, so the lake is just perfectly calm, just like glass.
Again, Jet Boyle got fired up for some hot coffee. Hot camp coffee is the best coffee in the world.
It's not pulling on it. Closer.
Yes, kick it. For a second there, I thought I made a new friend. That little squirrel got pretty close to me. I think he was just looking for some snacks. Obviously, the moose and the squirrels aren't too afraid of humans. The few interactions they get with humans have been good experiences, so it's kind of cool. They don't run away, they're not too afraid.
So as I'm having my coffee, looking at these amazing mountains that are just surrounding us like they were covering over us, watching this moose just peacefully wading through the water, enjoying its breakfast, I was speechless.
At my life. No.
This will protect you from the soaker.
My boots are so wet, like it's crazy feeling to keep. But maybe halfway through I need to
Did you enjoy your camping, hiking trip?
We did. Thanks for asking. Got a soaker. Saw a moose. What more would you want?
At the end of the day, I still really don't like hiking. But I'll never stop doing it because of this experience.